today's video, I'm going to show you one of my favorite ways to use Midjourney. Midjourney is a fantastic AI art tool which I've been using for the past year and I love it, absolutely love it. This is midjourney.com, the Midjourney homepage, and as you can see, there's lots of really amazing photos and images. I'm going to scroll on down. We'll click into this and look at that. The quality is absolutely fantastic. And at the top right hand corner here, a Chinese New Year poster illustration, Dragon Boy in the style of rendered cinema 4D. And there's more text about that. But that was all created using AI. The quality's unbelievable. If we scroll on down to something a bit more lifelike, look at that there photo. I call it a photo, it's art, it's AI art. If you came across that photo on a website, there's no way you're telling me that that is AI. It's brilliant, it's breathtaking. Some of the things AI will produce, even the strawberry looks brilliant. You can have photos, you can have illustrations, you can do mad things like, I don't know what's going on here, but I love it, absolutely love it. But how do I use Midjourney when I'm doing creative work? Where does Midjourney come into my workflow? And for that, I'm going to show you something that I love doing. And it's these here. It's movie posters with a bit of a difference. If you're familiar with my channel, you know I love doing creative artwork on the iPad. All this was made on the iPad in an app called Affinity Photo 2. And something I love doing is dress myself up and the kids in maybe Star Wars outfits, and there's different posters, and try to make a movie style poster with us kind of as the lead characters. And I'll show you some of the posters. So this is obviously Star Wars, called Space Wars, but it's a Star Wars poster. There's Harry Potter, my 3 kids. Instead of a normal back to school photo, 1 year, I think it was 2 years ago, I decided to dress them up like Harry Potter, printed it out, really big, and that was a lot of fun. Here's another Star Wars poster for Star Wars Day, May the 4th, 2022. That's not my real beard, by the way. That's actually Mark Hamill's real beard. I just put it on me, and again, the kids dressed up. This is our Christmas photo. Every year we have a Christmas photo, and this is a few years ago now, where none of this is real. None of this is real. Us going down in a sleigh. Even the sleigh wasn't real. We were just sitting on top of 2 planks of wood. This is another Christmas photo of a few years ago. Again, the background's not real. The Christmas tree's not real. The Brussels sprouts not real, the turkey's not real, and the fire's not real. And then there's a back to school photo on 2021 of me and my wife looking very happy that the kids are going back to school. What's this got to do with Midjourney? I'll bring it back to the first image, and I'm going to zoom in because one of the main things I love using Midjourney is for these creative posters, my creative artwork. This planet was made in Midjourney. These spaceships was made in Midjourney. This star background actually was made in Midjourney. This here kind of rod my daughter's holding, Midjourney. These spaceships, the explosions, the robots, the droids, everything was made and Midjourney. And I think this is something that's really exciting. If I wanted to make a movie poster like this, I'd probably have to go to the next Star Wars poster. I would have to rip off Star Wars characters and rip off Star Wars artwork like this. But there's something really exciting about making a movie poster from start to finish, all with your own work, or AI artwork, if you can call that. It took me quite a while to get Hogwarts Castle, and to get below here, there's a bit of a window to look for stock images of this and to get pictures of Hogwarts. Now I would simply take it into Midjourney, and in another video coming soon, I hope to do more of a tutorial on Midjourney, what it is, how to prompt in it, and all that good stuff. But just for now, I just want to show you why or how I use Midjourney. Again, with this poster, it took me so long to get the right background with the hills and the trees. Now I would simply prompt Midjourney and ask it for a snowy background with snowy hills and snowy trees or something like that. Things like this, getting the turkey, getting the Christmas tree, getting wallpaper. I would prompt Midjourney explosions or Nerf bullets or things like this. And I'm actually going to go into Midjourney. Currently, you can only access Midjourney in Discord. I'll do a tutorial more in Midjourney and how to set up Discord, how to set up all these things. But very simply, I can type in a photo of an alien planet, black background, and I will get 4 images like this of 4 planets, and you can put that's only bare bones what I just prompted in there. You can add so much detail on what you want Midjourney to produce, and there's 4 planets there, and I think another photo of another alien planet I wanted, and again it came with 4 different ideas, and I think this one in the top left hand corner is the one I actually ended up going for. And here is how I got this robot, a photo of a kind, friendly, tall robot from space, future, full body on a white background. And then I was able to bring that into Affinity Photo or Photoshop, a package like this, cut them out, put them into the poster. There's our planets. And I said about explosions, we can balls of fire, explosions, you can blow it up. For me, Midjourney is so exciting because in the past, I'd be looking on stock websites for explosions, for snowy backgrounds, for spaceships, for all these things. Now, with my imagination and a bit of help, or a lot of help from Midjourney, I can create whatever I want. And that's only one way I use Midjourney. Again, in a video coming soon, we'll go into Midjourney more to show how to prompt it, and that'll be very exciting. And maybe in another video, I'll show you different ways I use Midjourney because it's becoming a big part of my workflow. I love it. The quality you can get from Midjourney, some of the designs, some of the photos, some of the artwork, it's absolutely exceptional. Let me know in the comments below, how do you use Midjourney? It's a brilliant application. I'm excited for the future. It's mind-blowing to know that these images are going to get better and better and better. But until the next video, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.